What's up guys? This app on the left is making $700K a month. And today I recreated this app with AI in just a couple of minutes, and I didn't write any single line of code. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it as well. It's going to be a very easy to follow, so let's get started. So this is the app that we're going to go ahead and recreate. And as you can see, it's making $700K a month, which is insane. And in the previous 30 days, it got 40,000 downloads, which is pretty good. And if we scroll down and look at the screenshots, we can see that you basically just create flashcards. So you put the front and the back, put some tags to organize them by category, and that's it. So we're literally gonna go ahead and recreate this app idea in just a couple of minutes with AI and without writing any line of code. And in order to make our app with AI, we would use a tool called Vibecode app. So you literally search on Google vibecodeapp.com and you will go ahead and be able to create your app with AI. And this is amazing because it first allows you to code the app with AI. Second of all, integrate AI into your app through APIs very easily. And then on top of this, add monetization so you can add a paywall and get paid. And of course, also publish it into the App Store. So with this thing, you have everything covered, which is amazing. So let's go over here and create a new app for mobile. And right over here, I'm gonna go ahead and make our prompt. Now, the prompt is one of the most important things because the better the prompt is, the better result that you will get. So to make your lives easier, I've created an easy viral app prompt template that you can simply use to make your apps. So go ahead and join my free school community, which is linked in the description. Find this post, open the PDF, and you will just need to go ahead and replace the blank spaces that you see over here with your app idea and your app content and all about it. And the best thing is that you can simply drag this PDF to ChatGPT, explain your app idea, and then also ask ChatGPT to replace the blank with your app idea for you. So you can use this template for anything super easily. So just go ahead and download this. So in my case, I have this prompt, which I made using my template, which once again, you can find it with the first link in the description on my free school community. And I basically just went ahead and asked ChatGPT to replace the filling blanks with my app idea. So we're literally gonna go ahead and be making the actual flashcard app, which helps us memorize information faster and everything. I basically just described the inspiration, which is Anki Mobile flashcards. That's all. So now that we have the prompt, we just need to select the AI model. And you see, the AI model is one of the most important things a part of the prompt because it's literally the AI that you use to write the code. And you might get different results, right? So what I recommend to do is to select Claude Opus 4.5 because this is literally the smartest AI right now to make apps with AI. And with that said, just click this icon over here, and now Opus 4.5 will begin to make the app for us. And that's it. We don't have to do absolutely anything. We just need to wait a couple of minutes. And as you can see, Opus 4.5 actually went ahead and built the app for us with even beautiful UI. I mean, look at this. It looks absolutely super professional and insane. Look at this. So we have 3 cars that are due today. So that's like the strike that we need. Due today, 45-minute study today. DDEX, so Spanish basics. Hola, gracias. We even can, personalize this. So we could add the front like we saw and the back. And then we can add it. Perfect. And then we can study the cards. Buenos dias. And we can click to, wow, you can see the animation, right? This is insane. And then, yeah, like I said, the beautiful UI. This was one prompt, guys. Like, I'm literally speechless because it's like it just took like 3 minutes. This is crazy, guys. We replicated a 700K a month app in just 2 minutes. So the next steps will be, to add whatever feature you wanted. You wanted to change this into light mode, you will go here and say, okay, change this into light mode. Or you wanted to integrate AI, well, you can go into the API section and literally add any AI in the world that you want. So imagine that you wanted to, make images or, whatever. You could add Nano Banana Pro, the best AI model right now to make images, and it will go ahead and do it in your app. So yeah, literally with the Vibe Code app, you have everything in one place. Now, not only that, but you also have right over here, monetization, payment here, and then we could join this with the Revenue Cat, which is a platform that enables you to add subscriptions and so on very easily. And you could add basically, a paywall for your app to start making money. And then on top of this, you can go to publish and publish it into the App Store, as you can see. So everything is in one place, which is amazing. So if you want to learn how to make this step by step, I made an entire masterclass right here on YouTube, which is more than 1 hour long, where I literally go from making an app with the Vibe Code app like we did today, adding monetization, adding AI, and then finally publishing it into the App Store with literally everything, the screenshots, and putting it out there. So if you want to go ahead and check that out, I will also add that link in the description. And make sure to remember to join my free school community to go ahead and access and download the free viral app prompt template that I used today. And now, yes, with that said, bye.